Come to try for some live bait here. Secret location.
Hey guys.
The crew.
Breakneck. Friday.
Snook Master, J-Lo, Nussman. Nussman with the throw. Oh, that's a terrible throw and a lot of mullet there, boy. Oh, dog, that's a terrible throw though. Reno gosh, boy.
Come out. Come already.
Bring this on it. And next one there. What's that?
Another sand perch there. Keep that.
I'm blind in front already. Well, all of them was right. Yeah man, you get thing, man. One.
Keep that run.
Look, I have a circle, look on my rod right now. So we caught about 6 or 7 mullets. Check them out. A beta man.
2 bait.
A master beta. So you get a stone, suggest you soak it first before you put it on. Prevent it from cracking.
Soaking right now.
Drop it in.
Let's see.
Ah boy, we cracking, boy, we cracking.
Look at that.
Bubble box. So we just came to the spot. A massive caiman was on the bank. I don't know partner Snook Master to get bite, so just chase him, make a sea swimming out right there. Making waves going. Hopefully he doesn't bother us. Hopefully they'll take we bait. Tactic, live bait. I think this hook is a bit overkill for this man using here. But we trying a different tactic. I know not everybody likes to lure fish. I prefer lures, but you know, I grew up fishing with live bait. So we're gonna try that today. This man have a grunt all kind of thing. Ming, can I use the big bait on your big hook? Well, this is the last mullet here. This one is a little big, but this is what the man leave me with. So we had to give him a go. Going through the top of your head. There we go. So you know if something take this, it will be something significant. Come on guys, swim. So when you now hook on a live bait, go to the side and catch yourself before you throw them out, So he looking good there. Just gonna toss him out. So I'm just gonna hold on to this line for a little while.
Hey, that fish? What's mine?
Because this bait will be swimming because he is big. A tarpon now jump right by my line. I don't know if that tarpon taking my bait. So look, I have. So yeah, let them take it and wrap.
Oh, I have a fish.
Ming Snook Master say you getting a bite.
Oh, I thought
But the mullet kinda big, hook kinda big. My mullet making waves out there. Something had to take this fish just now. I'm gonna free line it when you take it.
one big one, right? Oh, but can't have it. That actually tough, man.
Ming, this bait would have been so much better for your hook.
I think my bait is gone.
Hoping for at least a 10-pounder to take this. But the problem with this spot is our real rubbish down there, so we go see. So the man, my partner Snook Master now catch this little tarpon. My GoPro stick. And then picture mode, I missed the whole video. It's a real nice video. Catch it on live bait.
Baby tarpon.
Baby tarpon, Snook Master.
Aim down.
It's not down. You're coming straight in front of the photo. Healthy release. There he goes. Yeah, Snook Master. Fudge boy, main boy. It's stick boy. That'll be a real bad video, boy.
Fudge
Yeah, lost my cock though.
Got control for that.
What the hell? Try back on my pipe, try back on the same tactic.
So I dropped him.
Yeah, boy. The cock just disappear, boy. That'll be real bad, boy. Missed some good footage there, guys. I missed a Tarpon chasing. Miss Ming-tastic. Let's leave on. Let's leave on the GoPro for now. He was on the ride dog, but he's swimming like a champion. Probably smaller than he was at half an hour now. Once again, my mullet swimming like a champion. Oh, that's a real strong swim. He swim there, but.
Oh my god, I don't know swim. That is a freaking Tarpon. Stick up.
Oh
my
my
god. That's so nice, man. That's swimming.
That's a real baby, though.
Nah, yeah, size than it was. Yeah, about 5.
That was now tightening the drag to.
No, I can't say. Mama, that's swimming. But you just going through the front time and we okay.
Dog, you're cutting grass here. Oh. How long that mullet like a champion out there, boy?
He was going to eat regardless. I'm pointing you like 10. 11 to 11. Are we trying middle? Nah, boy, he's into there. Cut bait. Yeah, you get squeezed at there.
Couldn't swallow this bit.
Wait, them boys.
Boy, that baby, boy. Oh gosh, in the bush. Might have a Tarpon on still here. We going. Cook up on the branch, dog. X micro light.
Dog, man, I hit right there right before.
I got past there. Some here.
On, boy. Fish on.
Yeah, hold your rod in and push it forward. That's it.
Yeah, tell him back.
Baby Tarpon.
Baby Tarpon, but he's hooked up on a tree. He right by the tree here.
When you bring him in, you go walk back.
Come out, he come out.
Hey, watch my rod out here, you know.
No, man, I'm trying.
Look how big one play by my rod. Join my rod. One take my rod. What? One take my rod. Get underneath.
Some here, I'm trying to hold him, right?
Yeah, walk up. Come on, behind me.
Ultralight.
Tell that man one take my rod now, boy. Hey, one now take my rod, boy.
Go in front there, something.
Yeah, leader.
Yeah, a little leader.
Look, ultralight now. You're walking to me, eh? Go, hand here.
Do it. Let's now. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line, eh? Try and hold him. Don't worry, they watch you fish now, boy. Don't watch your rod.
Joe, how can the camera rod, boy?
Just hold him out, pinch him out.
Yeah, I'll leave him to play.
Yeah!
That's on the Russian prime muscles.
Show them this.
Ultralight.
That big one, boy. Look.
Think I'm on players?
This one now, boy. Wait, they leave it, go more rod.
Alright, don't worry, I get it.
You take your rod?
Yes, boy.
Microlight. With a monster Tarpon. This Tarpon is about 6 pounds, dog.
Nice. 6 or 7.
Boy, look at the size of this thing.
6 or 7 pounds. I hold it.
Going to release him. Just reviving him a little bit because it was a long fight on the ultralight. Now kicking a little bit. Oh, there he goes. Healthy release. Ultralight rod. 5'6" rod, I think. Mini reel, 8 pound test, 20 pound leader. DOA Carl on snook jig head. And that tarpon put up a fight. At least a 6 or 7 pound tarpon. Fight him alive.
I still say 5.
Ming saying 5, but he can't estimate tarpon to save his life. But check out, catch it. Real good fight, ultralight. Fish on. Man went after his target species and he got it. He said he gonna fillet that in mustard sauce later. We go surely catch and cook. Maybe never.